Alright, so tonight we're going to be focusing on trying to bring this rusty exhaust system back to at least some semblance of usability. You can see that it's fairly encrusted with rust. Not exactly sure if it has any holes or pinholes. There's nothing evident on either side. So, it's clearly been on the car for a long time, but at the end of the day, I think it's probably, from a structural perspective, probably okay. It doesn't wobble when you shake it. It definitely has some dents and some dings, but we'll see if we can hammer those out. Little bracket from hanging, and there's a flange from being attached to the header pipe. And I've just got a couple of different tools here. I've got some paper towels and some rubber gloves, and I've got just a little dust mask, some wire wheels, mineral spirits, a trusty drill, and a pair of safety glasses. So that's what we'll be using just to get to work here. So it's basically going to be a lot of wire wheeling, and then we'll see what we've got after we've finished cleaning. Looks like I need to get this end bracket off here, so we'll get to work on that in a second. Alright, so here we are. We have the exhaust pipe descaled, and the mineral spirit bath is almost dry, all the way down to the end of the tailpipe. We've got it standing vertical because we're going to put a coat of this POR 15 engine enamel on it. It's a good up to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, designed not to burn off. So we're going to go red and see what a red exhaust pipe system looks like. And you know, we can always throw a coat of silver top coat on there if need be, but it might be fun to see what it looks like red right up to the header. So, no. So there we have it. We've got our red exhaust. And who knows, this might actually look good under the car. We'll see. We can always take it off and paint it again. Thanks everyone. See you tomorrow.